I am actually shocked at how my mom's liquid gold spray fixed my hair fast. My hair used to be a nightmare, breaking, shedding, and refusing to grow. But now, it's thicker than ever and grows like crazy. I'm talking about results from the very first use. So if you suffer from dandruff, alopecia, or constant breaking, stop. You need this. Stop letting your hair end up in the drain and start feeding your follicles. I'm Dyer, and today I'm showing you my secret weapon. Watch until the end so you don't miss the secret application step.
1, 2, 3.
First up, my secret weapon, shikakai. This isn't just a herb, it's a natural cleanser. This powerhouse is packed with vitamins A, C, D, E, and K, which provide the essential food your follicles are starving for. I'll be putting this right in my grinder. The second ingredient is dried rosemary, which I will use 2 tablespoons to boost scalp circulation. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, which has been shown in clinical studies to heal tissue and nerve damage in the scalp, allowing hair to grow back and thinning spots. For the third ingredient, I have cloves. The secret is the eugenol. This compound is a massive antifungal and antiseptic ingredient. If your hair isn't growing because of scalp inflammation or microclogs, cloves clear the path for a healthy, shiny hair shaft. Now I will grind all of that into a fine powder. Once your mixture looks like this, let's move on to the next step. Now here I have a pan, which the first thing I'll do is add in the powdered mixture. Next up, I'll be adding about 2 cups of water right into that. Now for the fourth ingredient, I'll add about a tablespoon of cinnamon. If you have sticks, you can use that as well. Cinnamon is like a natural minoxidil. It stimulates growth and thickens the hair shaft. Let's stir it, then cover it, and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your mixture looks like this while boiling, you can take it off the stove and let it cool down. And look at this deep color. I'll grab a cheesecloth to strain it, and this right here is the real liquid gold I was talking about. This is what the mixture looks like after straining. To make it even stronger, I'll be adding some extra oils, which is optional or you can add them too. The first ingredient I'll be adding is Jamaican black castor oil. Next, let's add some jojoba oil. Finally, I'll be adding a little bit of vitamin E oil. As the last step, I will now pour it into a spray bottle using a funnel. This is the ultimate DIY treatment to fix every hair issue. Always remember to massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes to get that blood flowing. And if you want hair that grows faster than ever, you need to do this. My mother will now show you exactly how to apply this treatment to your hair. Subscribe to my channel for more hair tips and share this with someone who needs hair growth. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!